The lens, you can camera itself, strap on, charge it. So diddy. Everything's so small. This thing is absolutely tiny. Super happy. This is going to make everything so much easier, so much nicer and clearer to film. I'm just going to grab all my accessories and get them put on now. Whoops. Give me in, one-handed warrior. This little bad boy should stop us this little bad boy should stop us getting some really poor sound quality, like in the last couple of videos, so this should improve. Christ, oh, it's made in Australia. Did not know that. That's cool. Yeah, this should help us improve the old sound quality that we've been battling with, just using the little GoPro. Doesn't pick up sound very well, especially not if I'm stood further away. Get this little sock put on there. Should help me cover up my heavy breathing. Crazy times when the microphone is pretty much bigger than the camera. Right, I'll stick a battery in it and see what it's like. I'm gonna film the rest of the footage with this camera and see if there's much difference from filming on my iPhone. Holy crap, that makes a hell of a difference. The quality on this is insane. Sorry about the mess on my dining room table as well. This is currently my home office while I'm working from home. Well, working from home / workshop / dining table. You know how it is. COVID life. But yeah, no, I'm mega happy with this camera. Hopefully this quality is visibly different from my iPhone, which I've just been filming on for the last episode or so. So hopefully this should make a massive difference. I could already see in the little camera, the little screen on the back of the camera that I can rotate and look at myself, that this is going to be a million times better than it already was. But yeah, I'm excited. So just a little video just to chuck in, just to show that we're on the up. We've got a good camera, we've got good sound, just need to improve my skill now and be able to present a little bit better, but that'll come in time, I'm sure. So anyhow, like, comment, subscribe. I shall see you guys on the next one.